The MasterCraft ProStar is at the heart of the MasterCraft brand. For decades, the ProStar has represented legacy, power, precision, and progression. And for 2025, it's no different. The ProStar is a world-class water ski boat renowned for its powerful performance. Let's check it out. With any MasterCraft boat, you know you're getting the best in terms of behind-the-boat performance, the best in comfort, the best in reliability, and cutting-edge technology. And with the latest ProStar, you're getting all that plus fine-tuned details that make this the best boat for both skiers and drivers. Now, let's take a closer look. From bow to stern, the ProStar was thoughtfully engineered to deliver the best water ski experience for skiers of all abilities. Whether it's your first time getting up on doubles or you're crushing 41 off, the ProStar's ability to deliver excellence starts with what's going on underneath the boat. The ProStar is built with proprietary hull rails. Unlike anything else in the industry, the hull rails not only maintain the flattest wakes at every line length and every speed, but also minimize spray and the height of the rooster tail for skiers in all disciplines. The ProStar has another unique feature under the boat that was designed to elevate the driving experience: 4 tracking fins. The additional fin gives drivers even more precision and control, allowing them to hold a perfect line without compromising maneuverability or agility. Stepping into the cockpit, you'll notice the ProStar offers a thoughtful and functional interior layout featuring ergonomic seating for all passengers, optional rear seats, and a convertible judge's seat. Offering ample storage under the observer seat, rear storage lockers that are easily accessed from both inside the cockpit and from the swim platform, and optional ski racks, the ProStar optimizes every inch of its layout to help deliver the best experience on the water for you and your crew. And it's impossible to talk about the interior of the ProStar without noting the unique motor box. As a part of the latest ProStar design, the motor box was reimagined to allow for improved airflow, reduced noise, and optimized engine performance. Notice how the ProStar closure differs from all other motor boxes that simply rest on top of the deck. Traditional designs are like how a cabinet door closes in your kitchen. Meanwhile, the ProStar motor box latches in a way that's more like how a refrigerator door closes, creating a better seal, a quieter ride, and improved airflow for top-tier performance. And since we're here at the motor box, let's talk engines. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine for all MasterCraft engines. Ilmor is known for hand-building race car engines and is renowned for performance in the racing industry. For 2025, all ProStars come standard with Ilmor's 6-liter MPI engine, which delivers 373 horsepower and 407 pound-feet of torque. And for those seeking even more power, upgrade to the Ilmor 6.2-liter GDI and enjoy 430 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. This technology and performance is exactly why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty: 7 years or 1,000 hours. While customizing your ProStar, you can opt for gray or tan SeaDeck or gray or tan Decadence, along with hundreds of gel and flake combinations. Feel free to take a chance on dark, rich interiors with available Cool Feel upholstery, which stays up to 30% cooler than traditional marine vinyl. Speaking of colors, 2025 brings some exciting new options to the MasterCraft fleet, including magnetic blue, sunset orange, stone, and more. The ProStar comes standard with the Klipsch Advanced Audio Package, featuring 4 cockpit speakers for an immersive audio experience, which is controlled by the sleek 10-inch touchscreen at the helm. Moving on to the Bimini. The ProStar Bimini is the simplest Bimini to deploy and store, and was designed to eliminate the need for any ties or rear supports. This means you get all the shade with none of the additional components that could interfere with ropes or grabbing the dock. For those looking to add a little more height to their behind-the-boat activities, opt for the stylish and functional billet aluminum ProStar Tower. And lastly, to round out our cockpit overview, our pylon was redesigned to integrate into our stringer system, which means less movement, more connection to the boat, and an overall stronger pylon attachment. Moving into the helm of the ProStar. This is one area that was a top priority for MasterCraft during the latest redesign. Our goal was to ensure the driver felt comfortable, confident, and completely in control. That's why you have the most intuitive 3-event software here at your fingertips in this large 10-inch touchscreen, along with a minimalistic and low-profile dash design and a standard wireless charger for your phone. Top that off with our ergonomically designed captain seat for the most elevated driving experience on the water. The bow design of the ProStar is unique because we're the only ski boat that allows for you to enjoy the benefits of both an open bow and a closed bow design. Thanks to our proprietary removable bow cover, you don't have to choose between sporty efficiency or family-friendly comfort. You get both. Our team of naval architects design all of our models to deliver the smoothest and driest ride that surpasses industry standards. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we create an incredible and comfortable on-water experience, even in rough water. With the ProStar, you have the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system for a simple yet sophisticated towing experience. And top-tier quality and reliability doesn't stop once a MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure you get the best customer experience. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can remotely monitor your boat's vitals to anticipate your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the MasterCraft Connect app, and you can even switch off your battery from your phone. Lastly, every ProStar comes standard with MasterCare. We have your back thanks to a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks so much for joining me to learn more about the ProStar. If you want to experience the MasterCraft difference for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.